Okay guys, check out this 2018 Toyota 4Runner TRD off-road. Rebuilt title, damage was right here, but this vehicle is actually bought from me at TJ Chapman Auto. It's wrecked with 62,000 miles on it. It has 102,000 on it now. I said it's been a great vehicle for them. They just traded in for another vehicle. Looks really clean. Good scoop on there. Premium with leather. $102, $352 on the miles. Backup camera. All your different apps. Navigation. 4-wheel drive. TRD, heated seats. This is the TRD off-road, so these are all your off-road packages here. Garage door, cruise. Side steps, all weather floor mats, power seats. Seat doesn't look like it has any major wear, any issues. VIN number. This does have the tow package. Pretty nice 4Runner, guys. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.